Hello everybody, my name is Jiaxun, and today I'm here is doing the presentation of the ENGG 851, and the topic of the presentation is the urban wastewater treatment plant as hotspot for antibiotic bacteria. And so these two, you will get two keywords: the urban wastewater treatment plant and the antibiotic bacteria. So what's the connection between these two words? And let's explore it. Here is the introduction of the UWTPS, urban wastewater treatment plants, and the next one is the antibiotic resistant. And the urban wastewater treatment, everybody knows it is as a solution of the water treatment, in which has a series of developed technology in the treatment system, and it proposed to protect the water's environment from the multiple negative impact of the wastewater. So another purpose is to reducing the impact, maximum impact from the wastewater. And the antibiotic resistant, the bacteria that are not controlled or killed by antibiotic, they can be able to survive and even multiply in the existing antibiotic. And in terms of the bacterial theory, these four reactors can be listed as the four main factors. Yeah, so the question has been come: why this research is important? Why I selected this research? Yeah, and antibiotic is not only being used for the disease treatment, but also it's extensive used for farming and agriculture purpose. So I can divide it like a long-term issue and short-term issue, and direct reason and indirect reason. So let's see what's going to be happened after the antibiotic bacteria spreading into the water system. And antibiotic bacteria in soil accumulation is a serious long-term issue, and antibiotic can remain active in sediment soil, and the drug is having a long performance, the impact of the environment. And short-term issue is the hospital sewer system is a main source to discharge the antibiotic bacteria into the aquatic system or the aerotic system. And another case is the human agriculture activities. So it will occur the resistant bacteria to enter the food or water chain directly. So, and this one is talking about the long-term and short-term effective. And the first one is the phototoxicity. A study by Mr. Liu and refers to botany, the product of the antibiotic will be significantly reduced of the root and the leaf growth of the millet, in particular to the pea or corn or something fruits. So another one is the refers to the humans' agriculture activities, like irrigation. And according to this study, and every day, generally every day it will be this amount of colony formed and released into water system. So it will bring by the irrigation to the food. So, and based on all the research design, I've designed these questions and how to control the source to release the antibiotic bacteria to the natural system is to control the source of the UWTP. So I designed this question as how to reduce the impact of antibiotic bacteria to environment through urban wastewater treatment. And so this study can be defined to an effective detection system and the solutions. So I divided these two as the three factor sections. Antibiotic bacteria released is impacting biodiversity in air system, and the adoptive process and the treated water are the two major methods in removing antibiotic. Yeah, and see this flow chart is clear, shows the mechanism of the issue. This is the two major way from the antibiotic use to enter into the natural system. From animals microbiota and human microbiota, and go through the farm system and go through the hospital sewage treatment system. It eventually will be getting into the surface groundwater or the soil sediment. So this micro picture clearly shows the bacteria of the stream. So this is another mechanism of the how the bacteria spread their gene into another microorganism. This is the no dissemination and the dissemination way. Yeah, and also I've designed a system which is detection. Detection means to detect the resistance of the antibiotic in the water system, like in a lake, in the river. So in this picture, you will see the sampling points alongside with the river. So it's proposed to analyze the concentration of antibiotic in the water, with the water or the water resource, in order to offer a better platform to analysis by the scientist or the researcher. So, and after all the design, the literary review and the research design, and throughout integrated research, it strongly demonstrated that antibiotic causes an extensively variety of the threat in the environmental system. And in terms of the risk and effect, it's also improved the question. The question has been improved. Antibiotic bacteria gene released is impacting biodiversity in aerial system. Yeah, and then I will talk about the results. I will analyzing the results, advantages and the disadvantages. And the first one is develop monitoring system. What does this mean? It means the antibiotic abused and overused is undeveloped management at the moment, and there's no very strictly management and policy to control this thing. But if we control the system management system in the wastewater treatment, we will control this. So generally, so every a treatment plant got the developed monitoring system, and the next one is environmental friendly. So most of I can say all of the method to removing antibiotic in the wastewater treatment is environmentally friendly method. It's used a very physical and the chemical friendly things to do it. And another thing I will significantly to talk about the disadvantages. The first one is the sample data collection. In terms of this study, the data is from the water source, or human source, and the livestock source. So this research is connection between this life being. So another thing is the gene connection. And gene is a very sensitive topic in the world. So it probably will be a dispute topic. So as well as the sample data collection is hard to collecting. And the next one is current technology limited. And as recorded, there's 130 antibiotic bacteria found in the world. But the existing technology in the water treatment system, it only can remove the less than 30 antibiotic bacteria. So current technology is going to be a very big limitation, but I think as the technology developing, everything will be so fixed up soon. So this is my presentation. Thank you for watching.